My reporting is loss condition, replay, and program end. First code, if parenthesis attempts equals 0. So if ang attempt is 0 na is means pilde na ang player. And draw statement parenthesis 0 semicolon. So if draw statement is 0, kay ipakita ng whole body na drawing na statement. Next is printf parenthesis quotation mark slash n you lose the word was colon percent s slash n comma word and semicolon is ipakita na ang words na you lose then ang correct answer. Next code is scanf parenthesis quotation mark percent c comma and play again semicolon. Minsan is para mabasa ang answer sa player. Then kaning play again equals to lower parenthesis play again semicolon is himon ani nga code is pagamyo niya ang mga letters sa answer para dili magkamali og check ang program. Next is curly braces while parenthesis play again is equals to y semicolon is if y ang answer is mo balik ang game. And then printf parenthesis quotation mark slash n thanks for playing slash end semicolon is kaning nga code is iniguman na ang duha is naay mo butang nga pasalamat or thanks for playing. And the last one is return 0 semicolon is para i-end ang program.
So atong suyagan a highland landform. Enter your guess whole word. Nya nakay tulo ka attempt. So kani atong sa tag mountain. Correct. Play again letter Y. So ayan tag isa ka letter. Sa inyong makita na inigawas na kanang ulo dang PC na. Mao na siya nga nakay duha ka attempt left since na mali na makagusa kay man dili man mo dawat taga mo ang game o letter kay word ang dawaton. So atong ni buo. Correct. Otro na sad ta. Why? A place where students learn atong malian ni. Atong buhon bitaw tanan nanay ulo. No, kamot ug lawas o lastly og tiil duha na mo to tulo ka attempt ra dapat kay moron ka tulo ka attempt pildi na ka. Then after mapildi ka makita ang word nga wala nimo ma-guess, so wala jud kanang kuan. And that's all. So thank you for listening and have a great day.